In this video, we're going to have a look at the price of Bonk currently. I'm going to do a Bonk price prediction. We're going to talk about the recent rallies and all of the meme coins as well, and kind of give you a better idea of where I believe the market will go with meme coins, especially in the short term, the next few weeks and next few months as well. So if you have a look on Twitter, you can see the main Bonk Twitter account channel, 228,000 followers. And in terms of recent updates, I mean, they're trying to expand on the ecosystem. And there are other crypto coins, for example, that include people who are owners of Bonk, especially larger amounts of Bonk, and can get airdropped other things too. So the team are really working on continued development, which is a very good sign from the social point of view. And in terms of market cap, I mean, it's the 62nd largest cap coin at the moment, which is incredible for a meme coin. And the market cap at the moment is 1.48 billion, so just under a shade under 1.5 billion. And those of you who watched my last Bonk price update, you will have seen that where we hit the all-time highs, it was around the 2 billion market cap area. And what I think could happen now is we could be in the beginning stages of the next move up. Now, in terms of Bonk price generally, this is what I call a wave 3 coin. Those of you who've been watching my videos recently over the past few weeks will understand that. This is a daily chart, and we can see we hit that high on the 14th of December. And we've recently broke out of this area from the 24th. So it's just the last few days. And a few different things happen. We had the trend line breakout first of all as well. We had a volume breakout, which you can see further down on the screen, and momentum breakout as well, which you can see on the MACD here. So if we get down to a 4-hourly chart, we can see it a little bit better. So we can see the trend line breakout and retest, which I like to see on big moves upwards, lots and lots of volume, and obviously the MACD breakout as well. Now, where can we go in terms of price? Well, if you watch my video recently when I talk about how you know when the pump is over with some of these coins and what you should look for in terms of retracement, one thing we need to watch out for if we move back up is the area which is the 618 from swing high to swing low. Notice we hit it exactly and price immediately stopped and came down. Now we have to be a little bit careful here, because if price keeps moving up and we break out to this region, then this is a very, very good sign. And I think it's highly likely we're going to run to all-time highs. But what could go beyond that is very significant as well. And I'll get to that in a minute. One thing we have to watch out for is price weakening here and then struggling to break this level. And what I really don't want to see is I don't want to see it hit that level again, like a double top and then pull back. So that's one thing we have to kind of watch out for. But otherwise, everything is looking very healthy because this move is with volume. Another point I want to share with you here, if you've been following my Twitter, and if you haven't, I'll link it in the description below. It was this Twitter thread where I talked about what you should look for in terms of massive moves. So I talked about the total meme coin market cap being 25 billion, but I wouldn't be surprised if it could 10x that in a massive bull run at the absolute peak. And these are the kind of different plays I was looking at. So derivatives, AI plays, political narratives like Trump, for example, meme coins, and also niche pumps. And niche pumps are where basically all of the older coins like Bonk, Pepe, Shiba, they all start to pump. And this is really, really useful when it comes to trading any meme coins, because this is what happens. So basically you get the larger coins pump first, but they have already billions in market cap and they have a lot of whale investors. And then what happens is everybody there is making money. What are they going to do with that money? People in crypto, everybody's the degen, so nobody really puts that money away for savings or anything like that, or turns it into dollars. What they do is that they will try and rotate and move into medium size meme coins, and then into smaller, highly risky coins, especially ones that are pumping day by day. And that's where you and me as traders, trading some of the smaller ones, looking for those massive 5, 10x flips, literally on a daily basis sometimes, that's where it gets very interesting, because you get much, much healthier pumps. So for example, when the market's down, it kind of pumps like this. A new meme coin might pump like this and go down, hit 50K market cap, for example. Very difficult to get in and out of that position and make profit fast. You have to have fast hands, and you have to have the knowledge, which is why I have a comprehensive training program on meme coins. Second link in description below if you're interested. But when the market is really pumping, these pumps last longer, so the chart looks more like that. and then it holds off completely dumping. And this number will be 200k rather than 50k for the exact same meme coin token launch. Exact same socials, exact same interest in the coin. It's just a lot more stronger in terms of the movement. So it really helps everything pump. Now let's have a look at some other coins recently. So that was Bonk. But let's have a look at, let's go for Cock Inu here, which has also been pumping. And this is on a 4 hourly again. So this is an avalanche meme coin. And you can see here, clear, impulsive price action to the upside. So we had some failed moves at the bottom, but since then, we keep breaking into higher highs, which is a very, very good sign. And if it continues to move like this, it's not really a problem. It doesn't need to go in a straight line. So it may continue to move like this all the way up to all-time highs and potentially further. And then the other ones you're looking at are things like Shiba. So if you have a look at Shiba here, same thing. Massive, massive volume has just come in the last few days as money has been rotating around everywhere and people are aping into here. Now, in terms of actual move, we've gone up with Shiba about 50%, which is a lot for a larger cap coin. For a smaller cap coin, it's not really that much. But if you zoom out, so let's go on to a 2 daily chart, where are we generally in terms of price? We're not really anywhere at the moment significant. Like these are way, way below all-time highs. Now, things like Shiba, I'm not convinced they will reach all-time highs. I think Bonk, Dog with Hat, things like that, things that are from this particular cycle are much more likely to go to all-time highs and beyond. And we'll discuss where I think Bonk will go in just a minute. But Shiba is just so far away that I think more likely it's probably going to be a retracement if it does keep pumping, which is still good in terms of multiples, but not the same as some of these newer ones. So let's talk about where the price could potentially go. So the way to calculate that, again, I like to use Fibonacci levels and extensions. So if we remove all of the drawings here, and what I like to do here is, if this is the next move up, we do a trend-based extension and we scroll to all-time highs. And then from this move here, from this low on the 6th of February, if we were indeed pushing up, where are we looking at in terms of a move up? So if we scroll out here, I'm looking at the 1.618 level in terms of potential next extension up. So in terms of where price is right now, we're looking at a further move of maybe another 200%. Okay, would this be best case scenario? I don't know how you describe it, but basically from here, in terms of market cap from all-time highs, that was 2 billion. So we're looking at, yeah, exactly 4 billion. And I think that would be a very, very good, healthy move if we could get to 4 billion in market cap. Now, I know it looks a long way away, and with the larger caps, they need a little bit more energy and volume and momentum to move so significantly. I really don't think it will get to 10 to 20 billion market cap personally, but again, you can't rule these out with any of these coins. So immediately we need to break this recent high. If you see price very, very bullish over this, then I think, yeah, absolutely there's a chance for a run. But just remember, in the last cycle, we saw the larger meme coins, for example, Pepe from last year, even in, I think it was April, May, whenever it was, there was a run, but it was short lived. Like they don't last long. They move very, very strong and very fast. But with the larger cap ones, I would say they tend to do like a 3 week move, 3 to 4 weeks max. So if this consolidates here, that's not a bad thing. That could be a good thing. But then the next move up probably got 2.5 weeks to a top, and then we could get a bit of a pullback. And meme coins have weird cycles in relation to the cryptocurrency cycles. They don't kind of move at the same time. You kind of get these very, very early rallies in a new crypto bull market. And then you get some late ones as well. Some late new meme coins come in that then do massive moves. But this is kind of typical. What we're seeing now is not weird at all. I think meme coins in the very short term, talking the next 6 to 8 weeks, maybe even 3 or 4 months, they're going to be massive. So please have a look through my videos here on YouTube. I've got lots and lots of information and content that you've probably not heard anywhere else when it comes to trading meme coins. Like I said, if you want a more in-depth training, it's the second link in the description below. But regardless, please be careful out there with meme coins. Learn, educate yourself, learn how to watch out for rugs and scams, especially protect your wallet at all times. And if you're brand new, then please start trading with small positions first before increasing the position size. You may get lucky a couple of times with big positions, but you will more than likely get found out if you keep trading. So be very, very careful. Thanks for listening.